Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai. For any of you that are new in today's video, I'm super excited for it because I will be working with a new company that I've never worked with before. Today's unit is coming from MyFirstWig and I feel refreshed. I feel like kind of refreshed right now filming this video. I haven't filmed in about 4 to 5 days and I'm kind of used to filming every single day, not gonna lie. So that 4 to 5 day break that I got, it has me feeling really refreshed and ready to come back with some content, like just filming content. So let's say thank you to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit today to review for you guys and to install and show. So I'm starting this video off with coloring. Yes, you heard that right, coloring. However, it was kind of a bit of a fail, not the color that I thought I was gonna get, but that's besides the point. I'm coloring this unit today with a L'Oreal High Color permanent dye. This is in the color High Red. I think it's H11 or H12. You'll see everything on the screen and the description box as well in case I get anything incorrect. So this product, I added a little bit of developer and I also added a little bit of more dye from Adore's like Burgundy Bliss, and then I added the intense red hair dye that also came in the package with the L'Oreal High Color. Mixed it all together, saturated the unit with the color, left it on there for about 30 minutes actually, and it's red. So here is the wig. You can't really see the color that much. As you can see, it kind of got on my, okay, there we go. Now I think the color is kind of picking up. So it's like a deep cherry red, and lighting it is so much more vibrant, but it came out pretty vibrant red. Not vibrant, I'm sorry, like cherry cola. That's what I say. It's like a cherry cola. So yeah, let's get into the installation of this unit. I'm installing the unit. First thing I wanted to do was just decide where I wanted the part to be. I put it on my right side today, and usually I put my parts on my left. I did the right today and I'm feeling it. It came out cute. So what I really enjoy about this unit so far is the texture of it and how thick it is. When I wear something a little bit shorter, I would prefer for it to be a little bit thicker. I feel like if you have a bob form type of unit, you don't want it to be a super low density. You would prefer it to be a little bit thicker. And then I also did a different type of blow dry method today. I didn't get it on camera, but if you guys are interested in seeing it, let me know, and on my next video I'll make sure I film with this blow dry technique. So I use a roller brush. I've never used a roller brush before. This is my first time doing it, and I feel like it actually gave me more of like a, just like a little slight blowout look. It's not like a texture unit, so you're not gonna get that like blow dry look I think I am thinking about, but it gives you like a more of a like body feel. It gave it a lot of body blow drying it that way. Okay, now with the installation as far as what glue or adhesive I'm going to use, I use the GOT2B High Insta Hold. This one's in the blue and purple bottle. Since I am not planning on wearing this unit for days, and since it's just for a day wear, I'm going to use this spray. I would not recommend this spray if you're trying to wear your unit for you know, 3 to 4 days to come. Now what I want to point out about this unit was I like this lace. This lace like melted into my skin. It blended into my skin pretty well. Granted, I probably could cut off a little bit more lace. I also want to point out that I did not pluck this unit. I really like the hairline of this unit. They did good with not making it too thick that you don't need to pluck it, if that makes sense. You can wear it how it comes out of the packaging, which is awesome. MyFirstWig also comes with a bunch of different stuff in their package. It's basically like a beginner friendly package for anyone who is wearing wigs for the first time. They give you like a cute holster for you to hold your wig in. You get a packet full of clips, a comb, stuff to just kind of help you out. You get some, I think you get hair tamer. I don't know where my box is right now to tell you. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you get some hair tamer. They basically set you up some bobby pins as well as a stand, and mine came with like some conditioner and shampoo and a wig cap. I'm not sure if they all come with that, but just want to let you know what comes in my packet. And then also just giving you a little bit of detail about this unit. The texture of it is silky. It's a 14-inch long wig, natural hair color, which is what I go with, was about a 1B or 2. The cap size is about 21.5. It's kind of an average size cap, and then it also has a 6-inch deep part lace, and it's a lace frontal wig, and then the lace color is medium brown. So I really feel like that's why it blended into my skin so well. A medium brown is more so a good tone for anyone who might be of my skin tone, that will be a good lace color for you. It definitely melts into the skin really well. I like this lace. This lace is a bit of a more thin type of feel. It's not too thick. I feel like thicker lace is just a little bit harder to lay and melt into the skin. So I like the fact that this lace felt a little bit thin. I don't have anything bad to say about this unit actually. It was reacting the way I needed to. I am not super happy about how my color came out because I was thinking I was about to get something like real light red, not super duper red, but a lot more red than what it came out. But nonetheless, it's still cute. Gives me like a chocolate feel, red feel, chocolate red. That's the color I would say. It's like a chocolate red. But I like this. This unit is definitely cute for everyday wear, you guys. If you have any questions about the unit, make sure you just leave it in the comment section below and I will answer the question for you. So if you guys like this unit, make sure you check out my description box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you again to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.